Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel, and I'm getting ready to separate these two in Silhouette. So let's get started. I could do it in Photoshop, but I just didn't feel like it, so I'm trying to figure out how to separate them in Silhouette. I can use the knife tool, but it will take me too much time to try to get that right, and my hand is not as steady as it used to be. I could use the eraser tool, but still the same. You got to make sure you get close enough. Sometimes it be a little jagged. So I'm going to show you what I came up with, and I'm going to use my shapes over here to the left. I'm in business edition, so I have the default shapes, and I also have extra shapes here, but you could use the default shape because I'm just using a circle. So I click on the circle and I just draw a circle. You don't, I mean, it don't have, it's not going to be a circle. So it can be this shape here. And I don't want the green inside, so I'm just going to go over here to the left, right here where you see the green at, or whatever color you have, whether it's white or black. That is what you're going to click on, this arrow, and you're just going to do a no fill in. Or you can go here to the left, the right, and click on that and do the same thing, no fill in right here. Okay, so let's get started. So now that I just have the outline, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, but not too much where I won't be able to do what I have to do to separate these two. So I'm going to take the outline and I'm going to put the outline right in between, touching the both of them. We're actually more touching her than him. So I need to zoom out. So now I'm getting ready to double click on my outline, and you want to make sure that your outline go past the image too. So I'm just getting ready to stretch that out a little bit more. Okay, so and bring this over. Just tap the arrow on the keyboard. Okay, to the left. So I click on the outline again, double click on it, and it bring up the point editing box. And this is what I'm going to do to make this shape go around the outside of her to separate the two of them. So I'm getting ready to put a point here, and if you click on it and you see an arrow and a line, that means it's ready to add a point there. So you just click, and actually I just want to move it. Okay, so I'm just moving it around to shape the shirt on the outside, and I'm adding points to where I need it, and I will be deleting some points that I put on here, but for right now I'm just trying to get everything in place. Add a point there. Add a point there, and this point right here, I can go up here and delete that. Add a point there, bring that in. So this point right here, I click on it because it's a straight line. I can delete that point. So now it's a straight line on her arm. It's going to just contour to whatever it's laying on. Okay, I think I can delete that point, but I might have to put it back, or I can shape it out. Shape this one. I think I can delete that one. I might have to bring it back or shape it out. I'll just shape it out. This one I can shape it out, and this one I can bring over some, shape this one out. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out and scroll so you can see it. I can delete that, and I'm just going to click on my image, and I'm going to hold my shift key and click on the outline. Because I have these two circles, I don't want it to get rid of their faces. So I just click on image, hold the shift key down, and click on the outline. I go over here where you see a box and a circle that is attached to each other. That's your modify tool, and it'll bring up that box. And what I want to do is subtract everything that's on the right of her. So I'm going to click that, and it gets rid of him. And there you go. And now I can do the same over here. I go get a circle again. And let me zoom in a little bit. Bring it over. And put the circle here. I don't need no fill in. And I'm going to double click to bring up the editing points. And I'm just getting ready to shape this way. You see how that curve comes around and it rests right there? So I need to put another point to bring it in here. Point here to bring that back out. Let me zoom in so you can see. And I'm just moving it to get the shape of the shirt. So like I said, when the hand turns into a black arrow with a white line, that's when you're able to add a editing point. And put one here. Put one here. And the closer your points, the better the outline will be. I think I'm gonna put one here because I want that to come in some. Okay, so I think that's okay. So now all I have to do is drag my arrow over both of them and go to the modify tool again and do subtract. And there you go. All right. So let's zoom out to see what she looks like. And I did pretty good. I really did. So, and to tell you the truth, I just learned this today because I just fool around with my silhouette all the time. So what I'm going to do, I just click on the eraser tool and I just want to get rid of this stuff here. And maybe this piece of hair just sticking out. I just click, click, and it's gone. And maybe this one right here. Just click, click, click. All right, so now she's ready for me to do whatever I want to do with her. And that's it. So that's how I separate my two images that's attached to each other. And we both learned it today. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed day and be safe. Bye.